Hey, what's going on, guys? Sno Auto here, where winter is snow problem. Now in today's episode, okay, starting in 3, 2, 1. Hey, what's going on, guys? Sno Auto here, where winter is snow problem. Now it's starting to actually warm up here in Calgary, so I'm going to be taking my car to go get a new muffler put on it. Now I believe I have the Super 88. I will correct myself if need be. But there's actually a local shop here where you just drive up, first come, first serve. Let's hope there's a spot for me before they close. So guys, I just got the call. Yes, they can put the muffler on today. Now, I came in, I think, a bit late, but since it's just a single muffler on it, which is nice. If it was both, I don't know if they'd be able to do it. Yes, they're gonna be able to put the muffler on. She's gonna sound sick from what I've read in reviews, from what I've heard. And yes, I am at Chinook right now, just hanging out, waiting for the work to be done. And yes, I'm in the parking lot. Why, you may ask? Well, because you guys, this is probably the quietest place with the least amount of people for me to do this. So, I'll get back to you when the muffler's done and get a few shots.
Gavin, all that you were throwing out is some cats. It's not like
So guys, with the new muffler installed, I also got this little button to put over the start button. Now, I'm going to use 2 hands for this, and I'm going to have to put my phone down. But it's even big enough, even if I'm feeling too lazy to, just stick my finger through, push the button. So, phone's going down for a minute. Now, it's not exactly straight, but I think it just looks nicer. So after this, I'll show you a few revs. So guys, new exhaust sounds really good. I like it better than the stock. I know a lot of people will probably say it doesn't sound much different, but I think it sounds better. So, hope we all enjoyed the video. As always, don't forget to like, comment down below, and hit that bell to subscribe. This is Sno Auto, signing out. Peace!